So in this Facebook interview question, we're taking a look at this new programming language called Hack. And to measure the popularity of this programming language, Facebook collects some survey data with a whole lot of these variables, experience, age, etc. Now, the issue in this particular description is that we want a report that has the average popularity by office location, but it's also said that due to an error, location data was not collected. So ultimately what you're seeing here is that all the data can't be accessed just in one table. We do have to use two tables here. So we might get like one or two variables from this table and then like another one or two variables from this table, potentially. So luckily the user IDs of employees completing the surveys was stored, I would assume, in the employee's ID variable and probably the ID variable in this table as well. So based on the above information, the two tables, etc., we want to find the average popularity of Hack per office location. Okay, so we want in our expected output every office location, which seems to come from the Facebook employees table, and we want the average popularity where the popularity measure comes from this other table. And so because our data is spread across two tables, we can join them into one table and then run a query on that one table with all the data that we need. So, I mean, this can't be too complicated. I think you have just column from here and then column from the other table, join the two tables. So what we're going to do is just select everything, just for now. We'll select everything from the original table, Facebook employees, and then what we'll do is join it on the, we'll inner join because we want all the ones where the employee IDs match across both tables, and we want to inner join this table, and we want to join where the ID over here matches with the employee ID over here. So what I'll do is I'll just alias this table as Facebook employees, and I'll alias this table as Facebook Hack survey. And we're going to join the two tables where the ID matches. So, Facebook employees.id is equal to Facebook Hack survey, which I've called FHS.employee ID. Just a standard join here, like this. And so running this, we should be able to match on the IDs and get data from both tables. You'll notice that the age column comes up twice just because it appears in both tables. So we won't need both age columns. We probably might not even need one of them. But what we do need is the location and the popularity, because that was what our expected output wanted. So what I'm going to do is just grab the location, and just to recall, the location came from this table here, so Facebook employees.location, and then what we want to do is grab the popularity from this one, so FHS.popularity, like this. Cool. So now we have just the two columns that we're interested in, and for each location, USA, India, etc., we want to find the average popularity. So we can group the data in terms of location, so fe.location, and we want to aggregate on this popularity column, so we can grab the average of the popularity column, grouping it in terms of the locations. So if I run that, we get country, average popularity. Let's just rename this as average popularity, like this. Cool. And that should be it. So we have the country, the average popularity, output matches. Let's just quickly check it. Yeah, looks good. Okay, so just a standard join there. Join on where the IDs are the same. Get the average popularity and group it in terms of each individual location.